Hi, my name is Juan Camargo. Next, let's prepare an oatmeal smoothie with fruits. This is a very easy recipe for breakfast or snack. The ingredients are 4 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 glass of milk, 1 apple, 1 banana, sugar, and cinnamon. For these preparations, first we put um, the oatmeal, cinnamon, and sugar. Let it boil for 5 minutes. We chop the banana and the apple. In the blender, we put oatmeal, fruit, milk, and sugar to taste. Liquefy until well mixed. We serve it in the glass. Finally, we have our smoothie ready, which we can accompany with delicious cookies. Thank you.